Hey everybody, Anna here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2011 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the cabin air filter in this 2015 CR-V LX. And procedures will be similar for a lot of CR-V models from 2011 to 2016, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open your front passenger side door. The cabin air filter is behind the glove box, so open it and empty its contents. Detach the dampener on the outside of the glove box. Then, press in on both sides to allow the whole compartment to slip down out of the way. Now you should be able to see the cover to the cabin air filter. Press in on the tabs at either side of the cover and remove it. Slide the old filter out. Some models may have a tray attached to the cover that will slide out with the filter in it. Make sure there's no dust or debris inside the housing. Make sure the airflow direction arrows are pointed downward, and slide your new cabin air filter back in, or set it in the tray and slide the tray back in. The tabs on either side of the cover should snap to secure it. Lift the glove box up, pressing it on the sides of the compartment so it can slip back into place. Reattach the dampener on the outside of the glove box. Replace any contents that you may have removed. Close the glove box and the passenger door. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.